All right. Good morning. It's November 10th, and this is my pre-morning meeting. And before we get started, do me a favor and hit the subscribe and hit the bell. This way, you know when I drop these and the EOMs, the end of the day um, wrap up. And I stream during the day. This is off-grid trading. I live on a sailboat, or I'm hiding up in the mountains, and reception is pretty bad, so my streaming comes and goes. We try to do some day trades and stuff live with you and show you what's going on. So if you hit the subscribe and hit the bell, you'll know when we're up. If I get knocked off, you'll know when I come back up. Some good stuff goes on. So hope you will join me for that. So to get this started, let's take a quick look at the news. Today's a big day. Big day. Inflation's the hot topic right now. And there's a report out today, year over year, inflation rate for October. Forecast is 5.7. If it comes in a little lighter, that's going to be positive for the market. And core inflation rate, just 4 items. So basically, these two numbers we're looking at. Another very important number today is jobless claims, 4-week average. So we're looking for 276.75, and we'll see where that comes in. Hopefully, that comes in less. And these are new jobless claims. Yeah, I think these are new jobless claims, not continuing. Nope, these are continuing. So nonetheless, we want to see them drop. There's also a new claims report. And then today's oil day, usually a quiet day. And tomorrow we got the JOLTS job opening report. But that should all be good. I mean, there's plenty of work going on, and the economy is kind of heated up. But we don't want it too hot because we're worried about inflation. So to get the party started, we're just going to take a quick look at the S&P. And yesterday we had looked for that retrace, and I figure it's going to be a day or two. We got to break through the 46.59 mark, and then the next target would be 46.26. And I don't really think it's going too much further than that, if it's going down to that point at all. So our bias right now is, for the short term, a little bearish. But long term, the market is still in an uptrend. Nothing has changed. And what we're looking for is a break of this trend line right here. And I'm looking at a 120-minute chart or 2-hour chart. And that is the pennant to watch. So looks like it's making a healthy retracement around here. And this is the S&P, not the futures. So we're going to open up down 10 at the moment. And again, it's only about 6:30, so that could all change. But if we open down 10, we'll probably retest that low. We'll probably retest that low today, either way. But if we hold that low and then turn around and break up through this upward trend line, then we start the next march up. So short term, we're looking at the market bearish. Long term, we are still in a bullish uptrend. Taking a look at the 10-year, seems very negative. Looks like it's dropping down, which is good for tech, but we really don't want to see that, because if that's dropping down, then bond prices are rising, which means that people are taking kind of a flight to safety, and we don't want that. The market came down, the interest rates came down. That's okay. We're just going to keep our eye on this and make sure these interest rates don't fall apart, because that would just indicate that there's a lot of money flowing into bonds. And we want to avoid that. And we're watching the VIX too. And the VIX made a healthy move up. It's a decent move up. We don't want to see it get aggressive. If it gets aggressive, it's a fear index. I'd like to see the market moving up while the VIX is maintaining or moving down, and no increase in fear. So nothing really out there to get me nervous. Everything looks like everything. I'm going to go over my stocks that I like to buy this evening. So stop in later tonight check out my end of the day. And if you like what we're doing, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell. Just hit them all. And if you want to chat, you can stop in tomorrow during the stream. There's a telephone number in the title. You can give me a call. We can talk about it, or leave a comment and ask me about what securities you want me to look at. So anyway, remember, stay calm and cool. Get in a little meditation. Be at peace when you trade. And good luck trading.